Hey-o, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Nika of Broomfield, Colorado. I had roof damage from a hail and windstorm. The adjuster came out the following week and lifted up some of the damaged shingles and then called me the next day and said they would just replace the damaged areas. I thought then that there's no way that this will ever match, and the roofer I contacted said the same thing. Insurance company then said the roofer needed to submit an estimate stating that the shingles would not match and that they would reevaluate. And then I got a call from the claims manager saying to have the patchwork done, and if there's a gross mismatch, then they would look at it again. What? That doesn't seem right. I've been an insurance company customer for over 20 years, and when I bought my house, everyone I talked to said not to go with the insurance company. I wish I had listened to them. Okay, couple really good points. One, do your own due diligence. Make sure you have the right policy. If people are telling you, hey, I've had a terrible experience, maybe it's just a one-off. But if multiple people tell you that, maybe you should listen, because ultimately this is what I say, is cheap insurance is cheap until you need to get your claim paid for. And when you need your claim paid and they decide not to, it becomes really expensive, okay? Because now you might have to come out of pocket to fully fix your roof. And right now, I would say an average roof right now in our region is probably going to cost $18,000 and say they only pay for half that. Are you willing to or able to come out of pocket with the other $9,000 to do that? I don't know. But the thing is, I don't think you should have to, as long as you have the right policy in place. And that's where it really starts, is make sure you read every detail of the policy. And I always say, every 2 years, look around and see what other policies are out there for your specific situation to give you the coverage that you need first, and then price second. Again, cheap insurance is really cheap until you need them to pay a claim. And then they're like, whoa, wait a second. You want us to do our job and pay a claim that we've been trying to cover you for, but now we don't want to pay it because we don't think we owe it. We're not going to get your roof repaired like it should be, because maybe it'll match, maybe it won't, maybe it'll have a uniform appearance, maybe it won't. I don't know, right? Like, don't you want the insurance company that you've been relying on to cover you in these emergencies to actually pay for the damage that is legitimate and covered under your policy? Novel concept, insurance companies. Why don't you do that? And just a reminder, the only reason that public insurance adjusters exist is because insurance companies don't do their job. Think about that. Okay? So if you need help with a claim, if it's residential, commercial, industrial, municipal, school district, whatever it might be, contact us today. And the reason I always say contact us today is because the sooner you respond and let us know what's going on and tell us, hey, I have a claim that needs you guys to take a look at it and I need some help on it. Okay, great. Then we can at least see where you're at. If the longer you wait, the fewer options you have. Sometimes legally by the state, sometimes based on the policy. The longer you wait, the less good it is. Okay? All right, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.